Hello, everyone, and welcome to our another LinkedIn episode about this time how to browse LinkedIn anonymously and protect your privacy. I am Marisa Metsnikova, the CEO and founder of Mario Levy Ltd, and I help people find their why and build around it fulfilling life through profitable personal brand. So let's take a look on how to browse content anonymously. LinkedIn is a great platform for networking, but sometimes you may want to browse without revealing actually your identity. We all know that this is possible because we see people like this in the who viewed our profile. And if you want to do this, then watch it now. So why people choose to browse in private mode? There are three reasons. First, researching competitions. So you may want to check out rival profiles without them knowing. Then the second one, job searching. So recruiters and job seekers often prefer to remain anonymous, usually recruiters especially, so that there is not really a big attention. They want to see you, but they don't want you to see them. And the third is exploring profiles freely, so browsing without leaving a digital footprint can feel also less intrusive. This is also, for example, that you don't want that your employer or your colleague sees that you watched your profile, etc. So who see when you visit their profile? By default, LinkedIn notifies users when someone views their profile. Premium users get detailed insights including who viewed them, and non-premium users see limited data. But your name and title are still visible unless you adjust your settings. So this is how you can actually then enable the private mode and stay anonymous. So first you go to your profile. So here you click on me, setting and the privacy. And here you click on the visibility. And here you select then profile viewing options. And you can easily here go to the anonymous mode, which is very good for your trade-offs. So if you switch this, you won't know who viewed your profile. So this is actually good for you, that people will not see you. However, there are some disadvantages. So the first one is that you won't know who viewed your profile. LinkedIn removes this feature when you browse privately. And the second one is that there is a decreased engagement because some people connect or message based on the profile visits. So being anonymous might reduce the opportunities. So this is just in a nutshell how you can actually switch to anonymous, but that also requires some of the trade-offs. So thank you so much for watching. I'm Marisa Metsnikova, the CEO and founder of Mario Levy Ltd. So definitely follow me on LinkedIn if you want to know more tips. And also go to my website mariolevy.com. Get in touch if you want to get some consultation, one-on-one calls, or some audit of your LinkedIn profile, and also marketing funnel, digital products, etc. And don't forget to subscribe, like our episode on the YouTube and other platforms, and I will see you next time. Bye.